everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to elevate your productivity game in 2024? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 AI tools you need to make your life stress-free and super efficient. These tools are designed to help you manage your time, tasks, and even your finances with ease. Let's dive right in and explore these amazing tools. First up, we have Notion AI. If you're juggling multiple projects, Notion AI is your new best friend. This tool is perfect for organizing your thoughts, tasks, and projects all in one place. It helps you organize tasks, set reminders, and even generate content with just a few clicks. Whether you're planning a project or writing a blog post, Notion AI has got you covered. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. It's like having an extra pair of hands to help you stay on top of everything. Say goodbye to scattered notes and missed deadlines. Next, meet Otter.ai. For all you meeting warriors out there, Otter.ai is a game changer. This tool is essential for anyone who spends a lot of time in meetings. This tool transcribes your meetings in real time, so you can focus on the conversation without worrying about taking notes. It captures every word, ensuring you don't miss any important details. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Zoom and Google Meet. This means you can use it with your favorite video conferencing tools without any hassle. No more scrambling to remember who said what. You can review the transcriptions later and ensure you have all the information you need. Number 3 on our list is Grammarly Premium. Writing emails, reports, or even social media posts. Grammarly Premium is here to help. Grammarly Premium not only checks for grammar and spelling errors, but also suggests style improvements and tone adjustments. It's like having a personal editor for everything you write. Whether you're drafting a professional email or a casual social media post, Grammarly ensures your writing is clear and effective. Trust me, your communication will be flawless. You'll impress your colleagues and friends with your polished writing. Coming in at number 4 is File. If managing expenses is your least favorite task, File is here to save the day. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone who needs to keep track of their spending. This AI-powered expense management tool automates receipt tracking, categorizes expenses, and even helps with reimbursement processes. It takes the hassle out of managing your finances. It's perfect for freelancers and small business owners who want to stay on top of their finances with minimal effort. You can focus on your work while File handles the numbers. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about Rescue Time. Ever wonder where all your time goes? Rescue Time is here to help you find out. Rescue Time tracks your digital activities and provides insights into how you spend your day. It helps you identify time-wasting habits and make better use of your time. It helps you identify distractions and set goals to improve your focus and productivity. You can set goals and track your progress to ensure you're staying on track. Think of it as your personal productivity coach. It's like having someone to guide you towards better time management. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that can transform your productivity in 2024. 5 AI tools that will revolutionize your productivity in 2024. These tools are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Notion AI, Otter.ai, Grammarly Premium, File, and Rescue Time. Each of these tools offers unique features that can help you stay organized, save time, and reduce stress. Which one are you most excited to try? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is always appreciated. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and productivity hacks. Your support helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching and stay productive. See you next time. Keep pushing forward and make 2024 your best year yet.